Hey everybody, September 19th to the 23rd, guys. We had a slow week this week, 50% win ratio, but guess what? If you manage your risk reward, with your trades, you can still have a profitable week. We went 50%, guys. 4 wins, 4 losses. But look, it's not really about the wins and losses, because as I said, you can have a mediocre week, 50%, sometimes 40 and 30% week. But if you manage your risk to reward ratio, if that's correct, you still make money. We had over 267 potential pips, guys. We're truly trading over here. Even when we have a rough week, a slow week, we're still making money. Still got people passing the FTMO with our strategy and our signals. We are excited. Come take a look with me and see what we did this week.